Okay, honey, smell this. What does it smell like?
It smells so good. Like meat and spices.
That's the broth. We boiled it for hours to make it rich and clear.
Wow! It smells warm and yummy.
Now taste it. Careful, it's hot.
Mmm. It's salty and sweet, and a little spicy.
Perfect. That's the magic of pho, every sip has a story.
What story, Daddy?
A story about family mornings, street corners, and love in a bowl.
Ah. I love this story. Can I add more lime?
Sure, just a little. Remember, balance is the key.
Okay. I think this is the best pho ever, because we made it together.
That's my girl. Food tastes better when there's love in it.